Right, so my design has been worked out and I wanted to show you this because it will happen at, at some point in your metal embossing journey and I don't want you to be freaked out about it. As I mentioned, the copper is quite a bit softer than the aluminium, and especially when you work out high relief designs and then redefine those lines to make them stand out even more, you can see that over here, I wonder if you can see that, there we go. I actually poked a little hole through. So now it becomes a problem when we want to fill our design with wax, okay? Because what can happen is when you fill your design, the wax seeps through and it ruins the front of your design, right? So there's an easy fix for it. We don't need to stress about it. This is not the end of the world. Most mistakes in metal embossing is fixable, so this is luckily one of them. So what you do is you stick a little plaster on there. So just a little bit of masking tape. Just stick it on there and make sure it's nice and secure. We'll pull this off later on. It's just so that when we fill it with wax, it doesn't run over our whole front of our design. So there we go. All right, so I'm going to fill it with wax quickly and then I'll be back to show you how we finish it off.